Well, good evening. It's chore time. I didn't do any work on the building today. I was exhausted. 6 hours of sleep because somebody doesn't want to come to bed and then comes in when it's like elephants on parade. Doesn't help. But the heat really got to me from yesterday, working on it all day and being in the office. I was pooped. So I didn't want to risk screwing something up and being out here and being goofy. So just took the day, came home relaxed, but now we're gonna feed everybody. Ooh, sorry about the sun. And they're all so patiently waiting. And the bottle baby brigade. On to the next. Keeper kids. There's a whole nother flake hiding right there in plain sight. But they're all on the one. Oh, great. Thanks for the fart. Amazing. Alright, the big gremlins. Odin for size comparison. They're getting pretty big. The chicken nuggets are more like chicken softballs. Still got plenty of spunk in them. Odin can't wait. Well, supposedly Mr. Rooster this morning attempted to crow. I didn't hear it. Hi, girls. No? Okay. You gonna try? No? Okay. The wet nurse has not paid her rent for today. Oh, and they found the other flake. Let's go check on the sheep. Our little roly-poly tardigrades. I guess where they came from, they didn't have a pen nearly this big. So they are taking full advantage of it. They've been eating a lot of the grass. It was all as high as this stuff is here in this whole area. So they're doing good, munching away on that.